Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from eSewa to 1xBet. So, using eSewa allows a fast and secure deposit method if you are in Nepal. So, once you're here, what you will have to do is you will go to the make a deposit section or deposit, and then once you're here, you will just have to scroll down a little until you see eSawa payment method. So it should be somewhere right here. So just go scroll down. Uh-huh. So yeah. So anyway, once you see the eSewa option, what you will have to do is just basically click it if it's available for you as your and then again you will just have to click it as your payment method, and then you will enter the amount that you want to deposit, and then you will just have to copy the payment details such as wallet ID or reference provided by 1xBet. And then after that, you will go to your eSewa app, and then you will select send money, and then you will enter your 1xBet details, the one that you've copied here earlier, and then you will just have to confirm the transaction in your eSewa, and then you will of course check your account balance in 1xBet so that you will be able to ensure the deposit is received. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.